The positive health and lifestyle effects of a healthy diet are very much in the news.
And how long ago did you lose the weight?
The people behind the headlines are dietitians and nutritionists who work to help all kinds of people take better care of themselves by making wiser food choices. For someone being treated for high blood pressure, a consulting dietitian or nutritionist in private practice or associated with a clinic can help design a diet that tastes great with less salt and fat. At institutions such as hospitals and nursing homes, a clinical dietitian plans meals that serve the needs of individual patients and the employee cafeteria. A community dietitian or nutritionist works in public health clinics or home health agencies, developing nutritional care plans and instructing individuals and their families. With good business skills, a management dietitian oversees large-scale meal planning for company cafeterias, prisons, and schools. This kind of work requires keeping a budget, purchasing food and equipment, and making sure sanitary and safety regulations are being followed. Increased interest in nutrition has led to opportunities in food manufacturing, advertising, and marketing, helping to promote healthy foods and food ingredients.
Half a cup of juice is considered a fruit.
The overall themes for these jobs is the supervision of meal preparation and nutritional planning. Increased national attention to the importance of nutrition in disease prevention will promote increased opportunities in this field and related occupations in food service, public relations for food companies, and education. Many states require licensing, certification, or registration. The Commission on Dietetic Registration of the American Dietetic Association awards an RD, Registered Dietitian credential. Other credentials include Registered Nutritionist. You'll learn more about licensing and specialization while taking the necessary college courses in this field.